am a turkey bird. I live a turkey life. I've got me 13 turkey kids and a little turkey wife. I get a lot of corn and wander around the pen. Have a drink of water, then I have some corn again. A feather sticking out, a pecking on the ground. Come on, check me out. I'm strutting all around. Dangly little hang thing growing up my face. Looking good, only thing to say is woo! My big brother Jake, he always was the smarty. He heard that November ends, we're going to a party. Going to a party, I'll be the guest of honor, where they will present to me a red pop-up thermom. Had a little dream, all the good china. You know I like cranberries, lighting the candles. Pass me the rutabaga. Any corn left? Getting kind of sleepy, ain't too much. Boy, I'm stuffed. I am a turkey bird. I live a turkey life. I've got me 13 turkey kids, a little turkey wife.